And welcome back, everybody. If you want to get a transparent Steam profile and you are wondering how to do so, in today's guide, we are going to get you through the process to get so let's just get started. So you can start by opening up Steam, and you need to use Steam points to buy a special game profile that will let you get the custom transparent profile you're looking for. So from here, once you open up Steam, look out for your profile in the top and select this option of profile, and that should make you access your profile right there. And within your profile, you need to select this option of edit profile and open it up. Once you go to edit profile, here you will be getting your profile information. You can customize it, but since we are getting transparent Steam profile, so you can look out for Steam point shop, and from there we can go ahead and purchase the games such as Dying Light 2 or Immersive Storylines. So here, when you scroll down here, you will be finding different points shop, and for each of the profiles or something that you need, you will need to spend this much points. So you just need to scroll down and go to the section and find game profile section. You can look out for all game profiles, see all, and you can find the game that should give you the profile that you're looking for. Such as this one right here, Dying Light to Stay Human, and you need 10,000 Steam points to get it. So you can click on it, and once you click on it, you can select this option of opening the preview in a new tab. So select this, and you will be seeing this. So this is the preview you will be getting, and this is the profile that you will be getting. You can just go over and look out for it and purchase it. You can buy the profile using your Steam points, which is 10,000 points. You will be requiring, you just need to go over and do so. Right now I have Gyro, but you just need to go ahead and do so and apply the game profile. And even you can select up a contrasting or full image background to see the transparency effect clearly, and that should do it. So you can just go and follow this process and you should be able to get the transparent Steam profile that you're looking for. So we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.